How to add business location on Snapchat map. For this, go ahead and open your Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top. Go ahead and select the setting option and scroll down until you see the option of see my location. Tap on the option. Right here, scroll down a little and tap on suggest a place. Here you have to go ahead and write the name of your business. For an example, I'll be writing Cinema Max. Then select a category. Here you will find a lot of options that you can choose. Here I'll be choosing the option of tourist attraction right here. Now once you have done this, go ahead and select attribute. Here I'll be choosing big groups. You can also add your website and phone number and photographs. Now the most important thing is to add your address. Make sure you have written accurate one, the street number, apartment, unit, floor, cities, state, zip code and more. Once you have done adding the address, make sure you pin your address in your map as well. So go ahead and tap on the map right here and set the pin to your exact location. Once you are done, tap on save and the last option remaining is to tap on submit. Once you do that, your business location will be shown on your Snap map. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.